Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're already in the FaceTime call, so start by confirming Shareplay is active. You can tell by a green Shareplay indicator or shared media playing. Once done, make sure you have control. As the host, you can stop it directly. As a participant, you may need the host. If media controls are visible, tap the Now Playing area to show sharing options. Act now so you can access the stop control in the next step. Once you see the media controls, press the Stop Shareplay or End Shareplay button. This immediately halts shared playback for everyone. If the controls are hidden, open the app's playback UI or swipe to Control Center to reveal them. If you're not the host, choose Leave Shared Session to remove yourself or politely ask the host to end it. Make sure to confirm the Shareplay badge vanishes from the FaceTime screen before moving on. To finish, verify the Shareplay badge is gone and no one's media continues playing. If Shareplay won't stop, end the FaceTime call completely or force quit the media app to break the session. If that still fails, restart your device. This clears lingering sessions. As a last troubleshooting tip, go to Settings, FaceTime, and toggle Shareplay off and on, then rejoin the call if needed. This often resolves permission or.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.